In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a dumbbell bent over row with alternating repetitions. So this is all the same cues as your normal dumbbell bent over row. However, the difference is, as opposed to both coming up at the same time, we're going to have one arm coming up, then the next arm coming up in each repetition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand side on. You've got your weights in front of you. You're probably going to have much heavier weights than me here for this exercise demo. You're going to pick them up with a nice straight back. And once you've done that, come up to a standing position. Now my feet are going to be hip width apart and my feet are going to be pointing directly forwards. Now what I want to do in this position is I'm going to bring my hips back, and at the same time the dumbbells come either sides of my knees. My chin's down, so I'm looking down in the motion. From here, what I want to do is bring one dumbbell up. I'm squeezing my shoulder blade, directly rowing up with the elbow. And each repetition, you'll notice, is alternating between side to side. Notice how my hips stay completely solid throughout the movement. So as my back's nice and straight, I'm not using my hips to cheat during the motion. Everything comes from that back, as opposed to trying to use momentum in each repetition. You keep that set position and you should be returning the dumbbells just either side of your knees in each repetition. So make sure you're not cheating, make sure you're not starting off in this nice position and then going higher and higher, decreasing your range of motion. That you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to do an alternating dumbbell row.